Hi everyone. This is Nick David with NDA Studios, and today we are here with Irving, one of our previous clients we've done work for, and we're going to go in a deep dive of some of the work we've done for him. So,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, cool. So, tell us a little bit about yourself and your business, and what do you do?
So what I do is I'm a director. I'm a creator and director. What I do, with my business, I like to I dabble a lot of businesses, but like I'm still like content creating and directing. I create commercials and films. When it comes to you know uh working with clients and all that stuff, and like to build a huge multi something that's never been done before. And I guess in Hollywood, I guess. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're a man of many talents. Working with you has actually been pretty inspiring because you step up you take the bar up into what is necessarily standard, and you make it that much more excellent. So
I try to now.
yeah. Cool. So why did you decide to work with me versus other videographers?
What was it? It was like there was one day that you and I were on set, and I never really worked with the action videographer, and you knew what it was. So I was just like, hey, I never had an action videographer, know how to do action design, all that stuff. So shoot, why not? You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah, yeah,
those things
yeah.
like let's
It's
let's
been
create a new wave of stuff.
yeah. So touching more on that, what kind of projects did we specifically work on?
We did my fan film, two fan films. Uh, there was One Piece and uh, no, three fan films. Yeah, the Denji versus Mystery, the Tanjiro Zoro, and then the One Piece one we worked on, and then we also did we did various commercials too, like the Jack in the Box,
Yeah, Jack in the Box.
Jack in the
Jack in
Box.
the Box.
Kind of thing. Oh yeah, and they haven't released yet. Only one that we did the Liquid Death commercial, Spec
That's
ad.
right.
We
That's
did
right. Yeah.
we did Listerine that hasn't dropped yet, and
Mm,
Angry.
right. I can't wait to see those projects, man.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
just a little backdrop, Irving, what we shoot on set, Irving takes and then he makes it like completely a completely different world. It's like, what did we even shoot this? You know what I mean? It's insane.
yeah. No, yeah. When it comes to like shooting worlds, like sometimes people are just like, oh, whatever, I'm
Yeah,
at this point. You know what I mean?
yeah. So how was that experience and what was the process like?
What? I mean,
Like shooting those projects.
I guess the experience for me, like the experience for me is like almost feels like a normal day, like creating content. Like truth be told, because I guess I'm coming from the internet world
Right.
versus a standard, um, what do you call it, Hollywood, traditional Hollywood. So it's just for me, it's almost like okay, this is just a glorified skit.
Yeah.
that's that's how I approach a lot of things. You know what I mean?
Right. Right. Okay, awesome. And then next question, how was the content we provided for you? Like quality, was it what you expected?
Yeah, yeah. No, because we grew together, so quality is great. You know what I'm saying? People's reception. You already saw when we dropped the Liquid Death. You already know what time it was with people. People were like, "Oh, this
You
is
went
shot."
crazy.
Yeah, people was like, saying this is shot well, produced well, sound design from thick to thin. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I show that video to people and they're like, "What did I just watch?" Like in a good way.
It's a wild commercial. It's a
Yeah,
wild.
it is. Okay, so what kind of results did you get with working with us, with your team? Like what kind of
Uh,
um
with that, it definitely opens up a lot of doors. With So the Liquid Death opened up the doors with Konami. You know what I'm saying? Like, with the Metal Gear Solid deal. You know, yeah, no, a lot of the projects that we've done like open up more bigger doors than, what I'm saying? So it was pretty crazy.
Yeah, awesome, awesome. And then follow-up question for that. It's sort of similar to the last question, but how did that piece or those pieces impact your business?
Oh, it changed the game for me because, for me it expand the creativity, I guess, you know what I mean? So it expanded creativity and gave me okay, I did it for this project. How do I approach this project differently from the last project? How do I outbeat the last project? So
Right. Yeah. It's always the name of the game, like one-upping yourself, you know,
yeah.
seeing it. Yeah. Okay. And then last question, if there was anybody on the fence with working with me or putting a call with me or my team, what would you tell them?
Wait, one more time. What was it like?
Yeah, if there was anyone who was on the fence about working with me or putting a call to speak with me for any projects they have coming up, what would you tell them?
And, like they're gonna get what they need done. You know what I'm saying? Like from pre-production to post-production. You know what I mean? So they're personally, I do a lot of the stuff too. So I
Yeah,
understand. But yeah, no, they're gonna get everything done and what they needed, done. You know what I'm saying? Like when it comes to production and all that stuff. And then if they need post production, not everybody edits their own video. They're gonna get, they're gonna get quality for sure and make sure, you know, it matches, it resonate their brand. You know what I mean?
right, right. And that's what I try to do, execute on the vision and make it meet expectations not only for whoever I'm working with, but for the audience as well. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah. All right. Well, so that's pretty much it. Super quick. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.